Next week, the Reserve Bank of Australia meet on Tuesday, June the 6th at 5:30 UK time. Now, the expectations from short-term interest rate markets are that rates will be unchanged at 3.85%. However, interest rate markets are still seeing a terminal rate of over 4% ahead for the RBA. So if the Reserve Bank of Australia surprise interest rate markets and communicate that they finished their rate hiking cycle, then the Australian dollar could lose value against the New Zealand dollar. Now, this makes the seasonal pattern of weakness for the Aussie-New Zealand dollar pair very interesting. Over the last 15 years, the Aussie-New Zealand dollar pair between June the 13th and 10th of July have lost value nearly 70% of the time and had an average fall of minus 0.45%, with some pretty decent falls in 2014, 13 and 2009, the largest fall minus 1.85% in 2014. So would a signal from the RBA that they finish hiking rates send the Aussie-New Zealand dollar lower next week? Major trade risks. The major near-term trade risk here is if the Reserve Bank of Australia surprise markets again with another rate hike. They did that last time. And remember, headline inflation is at still 7%, and here's the core inflation rate. We can see that's at 6.6%, and the headline inflation is still at 7%. So it does seem unlikely that the Reserve Bank of Australia will signal the end of further rate hikes at this stage. Remember that HYCM clients can access the SeasonX product in order to analyze over 25,000 different currencies, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. And all you need to do is contact your account manager for a free trial and you can get started right away. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients, depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.